Hello students, our next topic is bacteria. The bacteria name means the stick, means rod shape. Bacteria are the simple prokaryote, unicellular and microscopic organisms first discovered by the scientist Anton van Leeuwenhoek from two different sources, pond water and the tartar scraped from the teeth. After that, the term bacterium is given by the scientist Aaron Herbergs, and the branch which deals with the study of bacteria is known as bacteriology. There are the few general character of bacteria. First is the presence of rigid cell wall. The cell wall mainly consists with acetylglucosamine, acetylmuramic acid. In some bacteria, it is also consists with the diaminopimalic acids. Bacteria are the prokaryotes. That's why the different cell membrane bounded organelle like chloroplast, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum absent in the bacterial cell. Majority of bacteria are the heterotrophs and not able to synthesize their own organic food. But few bacteria consist a special type of pigment that is known as bacteriochlorophyll. Bacterial cell also possesses some plant-like character like the presence of cell walls, like the synthesize some enzymes, vitamins, absorb the food from the substratum in the form of solutions. Some bacteria are autotrophic. Filamentous bacteria resembles to algal and fungi. Mode of reproduction of bacteria is similar to algal and fungal cell. Then occurrence. The bacteria present almost everywhere except the flames, found in the hot springs, cold water, ice, human intestines, and almost everywhere in the earth. Approximate 15 centimeter depth in the soils. Few bacteria are present in the conditions which are rich in the hydrogens and the heat. Some bacteria like the mesophilic bacteria best grow into the temperature ranges from 25 to 40 degrees Celsius. The bacteria are economically important for human being, like the formation of cards, production of different type antibiotic. Along with these useful economic activities, bacteria is responsible for various lethal disease in human being like tuberculosis, leprosy, tetanus, diphtheria, cholera, plague, etc. The size. The size ranges from the 0.3 micron to 15 micrometer in length to 0.222 micron in the width. Largest bacteria is spirochetes and smaller bacteria is the dilisters. Form of bacteria. Bacteria are the form यानी कि shape of bacteria is of different types. Basically the bacteria are the unicellular, but in some cases they join with each other and to form a mass of multicellular structures. But unicellulars means the single cells like this one cell, two cell, three, four, but these cells are separated from each other and one cell is capable for performing all the activities. That's why we called bacteria is the unicellular organism. There are the different shapes of bacteria. First shape is the cocci. Cocci means rounded shape bacteria. If they occur singly is known as the micrococcus. If two cells join with each other is known as diplococcus. Four cells join with each other is known as tetracoccus. If these cells join with each other in a chain-like structure is known as streptococcus. An irregular mass of cells is known as staphylococcus. If 8 coccyl cells join with each other into form a cuboidal structure is known as sarcina. The second shape of bacteria is bacillus. Bacillus means rod shape and also known as bacilli. If they occur singly is known as bacillus. If two rod-shaped bacteria join with each other is known as diplobacillus. If in a form of chain-like structure is known as a streptobacillus. They piles upon each other is known as a palisades bacillus. Few bacteria are the known as spirillums, means spirally coiled and flagellated. Vibrio comma shape and flagellated. Myceliums means the bacteria are very similar to the mycelium of fungi and also form a aseptate filamentous structures without any septa. Then stalked, the bacteria possess a small stalk-like structure at their base is known as a stalked bacteria. Then budded, the bacteria possess a small stalk, and above this stalk they have the small bud-like structures is known as the budded bacteria.